When I make my clay ear cuffs, I need the perfect clay, and trust me, I have tried buying clay, but nothing beats the one I make at home. It's smooth, crack-free, and just feels right for my designs. So today I am going to show you exactly how I make my own batch of clay from scratch. This is cold porcelain clay, and it is mainly made from cornstarch and white glue. Despite its name, it's not really porcelain. Unlike traditional air dry clay, which has a rougher texture, cold porcelain dries with a smooth porcelain-like finish. It's not waterproof but can be sealed with varnish. Perfect for miniatures, figurines, flowers, jewelry, and decorative pieces. So I remember I got to know about cold porcelain clay and I searched it up on YouTube. The fun part was that it didn't need any fancy ingredients. I had all the ingredients at home already. So I went to the kitchen to make my first batch of clay and I was so excited. It felt like I was a grandma in my 70s, making homemade bread for the kids. You know, the first batch turned out so bad. After a few times of trying, I ultimately got it right, and now I think I can talk about it on the internet. So, today I will show you exactly how I make my own clay at home. Easier than you think, and the best part, you can adjust it to fit your own style. Before we start, tell me in the comments, have you ever tried making your own clay? To make your homemade clay, you just need 4 ingredients. First is glue. I use Fevicol all-purpose. Make sure the glue you buy is for all-purpose. Then cornstarch, vinegar, oil. I personally use coconut oil and I only use these ingredients for my clay. First we add glue, then we add a cup of cornstarch for the binding, then pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of preservative. I use vinegar. And lastly, we pour 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil for smooth texture. Make sure to use a spoon. Don't think you can do it right just because I'm doing it right. I have a PhD in eyeballing, okay? And I will somehow make everything right. Do as I'm saying. Now, you can put it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes for 3 to 4 times. In the intervals, take out the mixture from the microwave and stir it a little. Then again heat it up. I like to cook my clay on the gas stove because I find it more convenient for myself. So you can cook this mixture on a gas stove for 5 to 8 minutes, but make sure to stir the mixture constantly. I don't know why, but you need to keep stirring the mixture, alright? So at this point, it will look a little ugly, but don't worry, it transforms fast. So once it starts forming a dough, we are halfway there. It should start feeling soft but firm, not too wet or too sticky. Now, this part is very important. It is the key to make the perfect clay. So, kneading makes the clay smooth and removes air bubbles. If it's still too hot, I would recommend you start kneading after it comes down to a bearable heat. I have done this 100 times, so I'm kneading it anyway. But do take precautions. If the clay is too sticky, I add a little oil, or if it's too dry, I fix it with cornstarch. Keep kneading it until it starts making a teardrop shape like this. You will know it's perfect when it's stretchy and doesn't crack. You will feel it's ready. You can store it in an airtight container so it stays soft for weeks. And I am telling you, it will not be perfect every time, alright? Sometimes things will go wrong. But we need to learn how to manage this situation. If your clay is too crumbly, add a little oil. If it's too soft, let it rest for a while or try to add cornstarch. Now here's my favorite part, actually using my homemade clay to make ear cuffs for myself. This is why I love making my own clay. It gives my design a smoother, more professional look. Class is dismissed, guys. Give your attendance in the comment section and also tell me, would you ever try making your own clay at home? I will be reading your comments. Also, if you love handmade jewelry or DIYs or you want to start your own business, make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video if it helps you. Be grateful, it's free, alright? Now, I will go. See you soon.